Have you ever seen a bird so vibrant it seems to paint the skies with every flutter? Welcome to the world of the bee eater, a mesmerizing avian wonder found across Africa, Asia, and parts of Europe. These birds thrive in open woodlands, savannas, and even riverbanks, often digging burrows in sandy cliffs for their nests. Dressed in dazzling greens, blues, and yellows, their slender bodies and pointed wings make them a spectacle in flight. What sets bee eaters apart is their incredible aerial agility, catching insects mid-air with precision. Beyond their beauty, these birds play a crucial ecological role by controlling insect populations, particularly bees and wasps. Their diet reflects their name, but they neutralize venom by skillfully beating their prey against a perch. Culturally, they symbolize freedom and harmony, inspiring art and folklore. Did you know bee eaters migrate thousands of kilometers annually, showcasing unparalleled endurance? Stay with us as we unravel more wonders of this fascinating bird.